Right here I have the perfect rocking bench that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this high density polyethylene outdoor patio bench. This actually rocks and is so nice because it just gives you that subtle vibe of calmness when you are resting on this. Maybe you have a little bit of restless legs and you can move them around like me. You can actually just sit normally without even rocking this at all. But this bench is awesome because it holds up to 660 pounds, which is going to more than accommodate for 2 people. And as you see, with me sitting all the way on the side, I got plenty of space on this nice wide armrest where I can rest my hands, no problem. And I even have so much more room for another person without feeling crammed at all. I love this because this black goes perfectly with the outside of my house, as you can see. You can also get this in a light gray, but I thought the black would be cool, so it was an easy option. Now the material on this is so special because it's a high density polyethylene material, which means it's not gonna crack, it's not gonna fade, and it's gonna be weather resistant for years to come. So unlike traditional wood where you have to repaint it and it can warp with weather, this doesn't at all. So it's gonna last many years to come, and it's a really thick material that's just gonna be very durable. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, now check out how ergonomic this actually is. If you look from the side, you can see this has a beautiful L design that really accommodates your back. It makes you feel super comfortable when you're on it. It's also gonna have an aluminum framing in the back, which is just gonna make it a lot more durable. And let's talk about assembly because that was super easy, way easier than I thought because the directions were really well outlined and super easy to follow. And if you notice on the bottom here, setting this up, I had no idea how this would actually rock and work, but the mechanics of this is really nice and works like a charm. You can actually rock this back and forth effortlessly and it makes it so much more practical. And all of the hardware located inside is going to be weather resistant, so you're not going to have to worry about rusting or corroding. Overall, this is an amazing piece that does come in different colors. I love this bench and it fits my aesthetic perfectly. Make sure you check out all the other colors, add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.